Menteri Ketnat Pule Puthi Raka Mesang Mau la pentip baun Khot ke Jingelang bat keyboard Pynïaid ke North Eastern Hills University Nehu banyak keren halor ke Hiar Kyrdan ke ne ke Jaka Pule ne ke skul ba ke bala pelait da ke National Institutional Ranking Framework NIRF Ministry of Education Government of India.
It's not to say this way, but I don't know the criteria what the criteria laid down on what component on what basis the comparison made on this. But of course, yeah, maybe there is always room for improvement for any institutions, for any individual, for anybody. Yes, maybe after the NEP coming in, so the our hills state universities may have needs time to create the momentums. There may be some department which needs to be placed in. There may be some like a department which not be added more. So maybe here and there maybe some criteria might be feeling short. But I don't think with all this ranking only we cannot sum up that education quality is coming down. But it is not true. Yes, but maybe some basic criteria, some infrastructure maybe have a different story. After all, I would say like the quality of our teachings, quality of our education in the in terms of quality. So I would say we are second to nobody. Of course, we have our qualified professors, we have qualified teachers, we have qualified teaching faculties all around university. But however, in the selection of the ranking and all, they may have some criteria laid down by them. So maybe that's the story.
But it
I
is
would,
strong, right?
yeah, this may be true. I would advise, but however, I would advise all the ins, institutions just to look at back also. There may be some rooms to be improved. There may be some things to be upgraded. Maybe the courses, maybe some infrastructure. But just for the coming up like this, so that may not be like 100% correct that we are not doing well. But in terms of classes and the giving the classes education, that is a different story. But however, this criteria might be in terms of what you call infrastructure, some facility. I mean, here into right. So suppose, for example, some others university have be some good road, good building, good buses, so many buses that may add some more point to them. But the class teaching is the core bottom line subject that makes the quality of the education. So I mean, yes, our institutes maybe some sort of some basic what you call the facilities maybe for reason also. So, no, from outside, we will call for review meeting for all this, and I'll be convening a meeting on review of the NEP and other issues with all the vice chancellor of the state university as well private university, including Northeastern Hill University at the Valley Areas, just to take stock of the situation and to understand where we are lagging behind, if there is. But it is not sure because in the last you have seen in the last 1 and 2 years we have not seen not much education as happened in the past. But of course it also matters because for the students we should create a very conducive, very wonderful environment to study. When we study, we should not have any distraction. We should be concentrated. Suppose these days, suppose I'm in a study table. If by my side, if there is a mobile, I cannot concentrate. If there is a television on my side, I cannot concentrate. For the studies, yes, definitely we must have a very very conducive and a proper environment to study, and also maybe it's my personal note. We are tribal state. Look, we are tribals. We don't see the competitive minds among ourselves. Sometimes the competitive minds should be built up among ourselves. When we study in the mixed community, we see lots of competitive minds. So I think I would advise my young students, but my institutions as a students, our minds should have a competitive mind. Then only we can move on. If we only compete among ourselves, sometimes it doesn't work. So we should now it's a science and technology time. We don't students. There is no any excuse. I don't have the books. I don't have this online. I don't. But we have on a finger click. We have everything available now, with the courses, with the textbooks, with the content, with any information and updated knowledge or current affairs. So I think student has less excuse this time, right? These days. So I think I would advise my young students, we should have a competitive minds so that we can come off and we learn new things.